His teeth were knocked out. His penis was burned, bruised, and cut.
The prosecution showing graphic pictures too disturbing to show on television, incriminating text messages, and providing vivid details of the repeated abuse, torture, and eventual death of 8-year-old Gabriel Fernandez from Palmdale.
He was being starved to death. He was being beaten. Wasn't allowed outside. Had no toys, no friends. He was being belittled and bullied.
Emotions were so high, some family members wept and had to leave the courtroom as the defendant, 37-year-old Asaro Aguirre, who has pled not guilty to capital murder charges, sat in court without expression.
Conspiring together to deceive everyone in order to torture Gabriel to death.
LA County prosecutors claim the torture lasted for 8 months, with Aguirre repeatedly beating his live-in girlfriend's son with a wooden bat and baton. They say Gabriel was shot with BB guns, kicked with steel-toed boots, burned with cigarettes, and forced to stay under cold water for long periods of time. He was also forced to sleep in this small dresser with a sock stuffed in his mouth, his hands bound, and a bandana tied across his face. Gabriel died in 2013. An autopsy showed he had a fractured skull.
The evidence will also show that despite the horrific abuse, Asaro never intended for Gabriel to die.
The defense is not disputing the torture or death. Instead, they are focused on sparing their client the death penalty.
He is guilty of murder, but the special circumstance alleged that he intended to kill Gabriel through the infliction of torture is not true.
There had been 60 complaints and 8 investigations into Gabriel and his family, but the child was never removed from his abusive home. Several LA County social workers are now facing felony child abuse charges. They have pled not guilty. Now, prosecutors are seeking the death penalty against Aguirre and also Gabriel's mother, Pearl Fernandez. She is awaiting a separate trial. Live in downtown Los Angeles, Logan Burns, Fox 11 News.